Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a professional and customized Gmail email signature in just a few minutes. A step-by-step guide on how to design and set up a custom Gmail signature that will add a professional touch to your emails, making them stand out and leaving a lasting impression on the people you communicate with. A good-looking email signature is important for personal branding or professional communication, as it helps to establish your identity and credibility. Inside Gmail, when you click on Compose, when you come here and click on Insert Signature, I can say the signature I've created is personal, our end outcome. So we're going to create a signature that just looks like this, so that every other time you want to send an email, you don't have to be typing all this. This information is just going to be already typed for you. So let's get to how we're going to create this. I'll click on Trash and come into Settings here inside Gmail. Click on the gear icon and click on See All Settings. We're going to scroll down and find Signature. If you don't have a signature already, we're still going to click on Create New. So I'll click on Create New, and I can name my signature Business and click on Create. It's more easier to design this signature somewhere else in Microsoft Word or in Excel, and then you just import a template and bring it here, and then you make your own modifications. And that's what we are also going to do in this video. At the top right hand corner, I'll click on this and go to Sheets. Click on Blank Spreadsheet. Click on one of the cells and you can import your image. So I'll come here, click on that, and under Image, insert image in cell. I'll click on this and I'll import my image. Click on Browse and I'll go to where my image is. So I have my image already here designed. I'll click on this and click Open. So my image comes here. I can increase the size of this image, like for example this one, so that it is more visible. And then here I can type in my details like that. And then I can make sure that I have to increase the size of this image. But then I can also now show you how I was able to create this image with transparent background. So come into Canva, canva.com. Canva.com is free, and click on Profile and type in profile image. And under profile image, if you click on profile image, you'll find that these are all pre-made profile images that you can make choices. And then we are going to create our own from scratch. Then come to Customize, go to canva.com and then come to Customize. And then the profile image that we are going to create is going to be 100 by 100 pixels. And then click on Create. And now here, come to Elements and now type in circle frame. So these are the frames that we are going to use. And if you click on More, you'll find that this is the frame that we want. You can make a choice amongst the frames that are available, but for our choice, we're going to take this frame. Just bring it inside here and can increase it so that it can fit. And now I'll go to Upload. I'm just going to upload this image. Just going to come here and I'll drag it inside the circle. So this is already our image, and then I'll click on we're going to click on this and click on Download. Canva has a feature called Transparent Background. Make sure that you check it and then click on Download. So our image will download, and click on this with a transparent background. Close that and transfer it into Gmail. This is going to appear as a template, but then I want to transfer it into Gmail. So I'll click on this one and click on Copy, come into Gmail and make sure that I paste it here. I don't want to have all these borders, and also I want to reduce this line between this and this one. So I'll go back here and make sure that I reduce this line. This is how I'm going to remove the borders. I'll click on this and come under Borders and make sure that I don't have a transparent border add border, and then make sure that the border is white. So by doing that, we are going to have a transparent border. And then I want to put a line here between this image and the text. And then still come back to border, and this is the line that I'm looking for, and I can give it a color of, I think, this one. So now this is how it appears. So between this and this, there is a border in between. I'll still come back and highlight it, copy, and come back into Gmail. I want to remove that, and then I want to paste. You can see that this image is not very clear because somehow between the copying and Gmail, it loses the quality. So I'm going to come here and select that image and remove the image. Add an image that is more clear, which is this. Then open. Click allow. And then I can add my title. I can add the phone. And then I can add my website. And I can add book me. And then I can add the icons. Now adding the icons, I'll have to go to this website, Exclaimer. You can go to this website, exclaimer.com. I will leave the link in the description, and then the size of the icons that we are looking for are 24 by 24. So I'll click on the Facebook icon and then click on Save Image As. I have already saved this. Can try to save that. I've already downloaded those images. I'll still come back here and then click on Insert Image. Find the exact image that I am looking for. Browse. I have saved them icons here, and then I can add Facebook. Only images that are accessible to anyone with the link can be added. Allow. I'll add that image, and then here I can add another image. Click on upload. LinkedIn. Allow. And now I can add the third one. So you can add as many images as you want, depending on how you prefer it. I can add YouTube. And then allow. Maybe you can space them. I can decide to make this website a link, because as for now, it's not a link. I'll just highlight it and click on link and add the link, and make sure that it's a link. And then this one also, I can click on this and add the link /contact, and then click on apply. So that's how I can add my links. And then I can, if I'm comfortable that this is how I want my email signature to appear, then I'll go ahead and click on save. Now when I come here to compose, and then I want to compose an email, for now the signature is not there. I can just come here and make a choice of inserting a signature. The one I have created and named business, I can click on that particular one, and this is how my email signature will look like. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have any question, please put them in the comment section. I'll have time to answer all the questions. Until another time, see you then. Goodbye.